this program right now, everyone? Is the hint clear to everyone? Yes or no?
Sir, could you please explain it again?
What you have to do, you have to traverse the list. Akanksha, you better know what is traversing. Akanksha, you know what is traversing?
No, sir.
Traversing means accessing the elements one by one. That is, we just have to apply a loop on the list, picking up all the elements one by one. Suppose this is my list Elvin. So traversing will be like for I in Elvin. So I will be pointing to the elements one by one. This is traversing. Just applying a loop on a list is traversing. Okay, so that we can access the elements one by one. So first of all, we have accessed the element. Now we'll be checking whether that element that we have accessed, is it even or odd. If it is odd, we'll pick that element and we'll pop that element from that position and we'll place that value at the 0th index. Because when we use the insert function, we have to use insert function. When we use the insert function, automatically the elements which was already there at the 0th position will get shifted to the right side. This is the task that you have to do.
Sir, but pop is like another inbuilt function.
But Kanak, you have to use, see, Kanak, now what you have to do is now you are saying that you have already told that you don't have to use the inbuilt functions, right? But in what case? Do we have any of the inbuilt function to arrange the numbers odd at the left side and even at the right side? Do we have any inbuilt function for this particular task? No.
No.
So in that case, you can take the help of another inbuilt functions to perform the task. But in the in the previous cases, that was searching an element. So to search an element, there is an inbuilt function. The program was to search an element, but there is an inbuilt function that is your index function. So we cannot use that function. Okay. इफ आई हैव गिवन यू प्रोग्राम, मैंने कोई प्रोग्राम दिया आपको, अगर उस प्रोग्राम का कोई पर्टिकुलर इनबिल्ट फंक्शन है तो वी विल नॉट यूज दैट इनबिल्ट फंक्शन इन दैट केस. बट अगर हमें कोई प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए किसी दूसरे इनबिल्ट फंक्शन की हेल्प लेनी है तो यस वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इट. क्लियर? कनक, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
चलो, ट्राई टू राइट दिस प्रोग्राम.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt that we have to arrange the like odd numbers on the left side.
Hmm.
But I have a doubt that we have to arrange in ascending or descending order. Like if we take three numbers,
No,
nine,
no,
seven, five.
it is not that key you have the element should be in ascending or descending. This is not a compulsion that the elements must be in sorted order. Okay?
Okay, sir.
It will be random.
सर बट अगर असेंडिंग करना हो तो बस इसे शुरू में सॉर्ट करना होगा ना.
अगर हमें असेंडिंग में करना है तो while printing मतलब बिफोर प्रिंटिंग द फाइनल लिस्ट.
नहीं सर मतलब अरेंज करने के पहले अगर लिस्ट को सॉर्ट करते तो असेंडिंग में अपने आप हो जाएगा ना.
नहीं उसके बाद जैसे अगर आप फिर उसके आफ्टर दैट जैसे आपने अरेंज कर दिया चलो ठीक है, बट जब उसके बाद आप उसमें चेंजेस करोगे
तो
तो
सर
फिर
ऑड नंबर सारे फिर भी असेंडिंग में होंगे और इवन नंबर भी सर असेंडिंग में रहेंगे ना, बस लेफ्ट
ट्राई
साइड
कर
राइट
लो
साइड हो.
सुषमा, ट्राई कर लो एक बार, होगा नहीं.
ओके सर.
To add the number now on the left hand side, we have to use insert function.
इंसर्ट फंक्शन दिया. Anyone who has done this program? No one? No one has done it? Chalo. Let me show you the code. This is the
I have almost done.
This is the program, dear. Sorry. This highlighted part. This is the program. So you have taken a list. What I have done is I have taken the list from my side. You can ask the user also to input a list. So traverse the loop, access the elements. If any one of the element is odd, pick up that index from that the index of that particular element, pop that element and insert that element to the 0th position like this. One second. Hello.
Sir, instead of index, I have just used remove instead of. Is it fine? Sir, I have not used index function, but I've used remove instead of pop. Is it fine?
Dear, you have to use pop only. Why? Because pop function returns the value that it has that was deleted, but remove does not return. Now, Kanak, do one thing. Show me the code. What you have done. Anna? Let's check what
It's
you
a
have
little
done.
different.
Just wait a minute. I'm making you the presenter. Kanak, you are a presenter now. You can show the code, dear.
So this is it visible?
It is visible. This is working correct.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, okay, that is also good.
Sir, if I input the list, it will work the same, right?
Will work same. Great. Anyone else who has done it? Chalo, write down this program. Program in Python to add 1 to all the odd numbers in the list. Program in Python to add 1 to all the odd numbers in the list. Do this one. All of you have done this program to arrange the all odd numbers in the left side and the even numbers on the right side. Done?
So I'm doing.
Do it fast. After this is quite easy. You just have to pick up the odd values and insert and just delete that values from the position where they were lying and insert those values at the 0th position. This is the only algorithm that you have to use for that program. Next is you have to add 1 to all the odd numbers in the list. Again, this is quite same. So you just have to pick up the all odd numbers, add 1 to that, and again you have to basically update the value in the list only. So if the values of a list are, if the elements of the list are 2, 5, 7, 9, 4, 8, 3, then it should be like 2, 6, 8, 10, 4, 8, 4. Means all the odd numbers will become even after adding 1 to them. Like this.
So please repeat what we have to do in this question.
This odd one or 1 to all, add 1 to all the odd numbers. This one.
अच्छा, yes sir. Sir, मैंने question नहीं देखा था board पे.
Screen is not visible, dear.
नहीं सर, विजिबल लिस्ट सर मैं नीचे नहीं देखा, इसलिए मुझे दिखा नहीं है
अच्छा अच्छा
क्वेश्चन।
अच्छा, ओके, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. Yes, how many of you have done it? How many of you have done this code to add 1 to the all odd numbers in the list?
Sir, I think I've written the right code. The
Sorry?
output is not coming.
Yes,
Sir, I
correct.
think I've written the right code, but the output is not coming right.
The output is not coming right. So let me show you
Sir,
the
can I
code.
screen share for once?
This is the small code for this, for which all the odd numbers will get added with 1. What I have done in this, instead of accessing the elements directly from the list, what I have done is I have accessed the elements using the index numbers of the list. I've calculated the length. I've already shown you that there are two methods to traverse a list. One is directly by using for I in L1, you can access the elements one by one. Second is using the range function by which you can access the index numbers of the list one by one. So I have accessed, but I have taken the length of the list. Okay, calculated the range. 1 second. Yes, sir. This is the code. Please write it down. I have to go to the principal ma'am right now. Please write down this code. Okay? And after that, do this program.
So why can't we do it directly with the value of the element?
No, we cannot do directly. And after that, write this program to find the greatest element of the list without using the max function. Okay? Please do this. And students, keep in mind that at 9:40, you have a class of chemistry. You know this thing? Are you all aware that you at 9:40 you have a class of chemistry?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please write down this code, try this code, and then do this program to find the greatest element of the list. Okay. I'm going to the principal ma'am, and I'll be back in just 5 minutes. Do it right now.